Welcome to KZ Mobile. Today, we're diving into the exciting features of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Apple's latest flagship device brings new innovations and upgrades that are sure to excite Apple fans worldwide. Let's explore what makes this phone stand out. Design and build. The iPhone 16 Pro Max boasts a sleek, premium design with a ceramic shield front and stainless steel frame. This year, Apple has refined the aesthetics with a thinner profile and vibrant new color options. The Pro Max continues to offer water and dust resistance, ensuring durability in all environments. Display. The 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display on the iPhone 16 Pro Max offers unmatched clarity and brightness. With ProMotion technology, it supports a 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and an ultra-responsive touch experience. Whether you're gaming or streaming content, the visuals will be stunning. Camera system. Apple has taken its camera system to the next level. The iPhone 16 Pro Max features a 48-megapixels main sensor, improved night mode, and advanced computational photography. With enhanced optical zoom and better low-light performance, capturing stunning images in any condition is easier than ever. Performance and battery. Powered by the A17 Bionic Chip, the iPhone 16 Pro Max delivers exceptional performance. Whether you're multitasking or playing high-end games, this device handles everything seamlessly. The improved battery life also means you can go longer without worrying about charging, even with intensive usage. Software and features. Running iOS 18, the iPhone 16 Pro Max introduces new features like advanced widgets, enhanced privacy settings, and improved integration with Apple's ecosystem. The device continues to receive timely software updates, ensuring it stays fresh and secure for years. Conclusion. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is a remarkable device that pushes the boundaries of what a smartphone can do. With its impressive design, powerful camera system, and unbeatable performance, it's undoubtedly one of the best phones on the market today. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to KZ Mobile for more in-depth tech reviews.